Hi, I'm Naz. I'm a community artist in Newport and I've been developing lots of programmes over lockdown and projects in the community. First started Art Club, which I've been developing with Silvershire Wales with live workshops and art galleries and art packs to get out to the community to help creativity and well-being over this time. Then I've been developing a project called Lost Connections, which was in response to the lockdown and has helped people create at home and process their thoughts and feelings of this time to create a visual time capsule. I think Art Club has really helped connect others. It's helped people escape from the things and the worries at the moment and just to be creating again. I think it's just given them hope, a bit of enjoyment, a bit of time to think and create and to be together with others, and even things that they can create that are special to them that they can share. So some participants have talked about the skills that they've built over the time, or just kind of the enjoyment that they found within creating art, or that they found, you know, a passion there that they didn't know they had before. So I think those moments and those conversations just mean so much to me. I then started developing the creative pack, so the doorstep visits started happening, and it just was lovely to take me out of the space here and to connect with people, to meet their friends and family at distance, obviously safely at first, and just to have those connections. So that really started to build momentum and really mean a lot to me. So I think it just fueled me to carry that on and really progress it to help the community. So I think to date, I've done about 1,600 creative packs, all slightly different. So there's textiles, collage, linked to themes, or it might be stitching or sewing or other things.
And it was a reason to do something creative. You got your friends from school involved, and it was talked about in class. It just was like throwing a big stone in a pond and seeing all the ripples, and those ripples were people we love, and it was nice.
Having the art packs and delivery has meant a lot to me. It's helped me with my confidence, like speaking to people and like using my creativity, because usually I keep away from my talent, but now since then I'm like doing more of it.
This is so painful, being away from the people that you love. And it was so nice to see her smiling and laughing and enjoying herself that day, making the flowers. It was lovely. So when you asked us if we wanted to take part, obviously we were glad to support you, and I knew it was something that Thea would like doing as well.
Also speak to them, but at the same time when you were delivering the pack to me, we had a good chat. I mean, there's some people, because we all recognize there is a digital exclusion. Some people, even they may have done a great piece of work actually, but they don't know how to take a picture and how to send it to me. But a couple of hands actually, I was really amazed.
So I thought it was really important to capture the voice of the community and the experiences. So with the way the art has helped kind of them express themselves or help with their well-being, and the impact that that's had to them, and what has grown from that afterwards has just been lovely. I definitely see Art Club developing and growing in a bit of an organic journey really. So it's the community that kind of leading it and showing me where to go with that. So I think I just really want to develop more workshops online, more creative packs and unusual techniques and things that people can share, skills they can build, and projects that they can kind of gift to others as well. So I think that's really important, is that sense of community spirit, to carry that through and to carry that kindness and joy of creating to somebody else. I think that is the key that I'd like to take forward from it.
I think creativity in times of crisis is really, really a significant thing to get involved with, and I think that we need artists to lead the way, because people can gain so much from creating